Have you ever thought about investing in a stock exchange itself? Not NSE or BSE, but India's youngest stock exchange. Yes, we are talking about Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India. Today in this video, we will be covering everything that you need to know about MSCI. Company's overview, product and business model, financials, recent achievements, shareholding patterns and more. MSCI, formerly known as MCX, was founded in 2008 and is India's youngest SEBI-recognized stock exchange. It commenced operation in currency derivatives on October 7, 2008. Later, it expanded to capital markets, future and options, debt segments, and even introduced its own benchmark index, SX40. The exchange has approval to operate an SME platform, and today nearly 2,000 companies are available for trading on MSCI's equity segment. MSCI regularly conducts investor awareness programs to increase financial literacy all across India. MSCI offers a tech-driven, transparent and electronic platform across equity and equity derivatives, currency derivatives, debt market instruments, interest rate futures. It also handles clearing and settlement operations. Despite its presence in multiple market segments, the exchange faces a stiff competition from giants like NSEs and BSE. 119 crore equity shares at 2 rupees face value 1 rupees plus premium 1, raising up to 238 crore. Proposed investors include Billion Brains Garage Ventures, which is a parent company of Groww, Green Matter Investments, which is backed by Zerodha's founder, Securo Corp Securities India Private Limited, Share India Security Limited. Another notable development is Monarch Network Capital Limited invested 40 crore for 1.8% stake at MSCI, further validating the institutional interest in the platform. And now coming to its financials. March 2025 revenue was rupees 17.4 crore versus rupees 21.0 crore in the PY, indicating the decline of 20.7%. PAT was rupees minus 34.42 crore in March 2025 versus rupees minus 48.8 crore in the PY, indicating a growth of 30%. And the EPS was rupees minus 0.06 in March 2025 versus rupees minus 0.1 per share in March 2024. With an outstanding share of 599.52 crore, their market cap at current share price stands at 2,222.12 crore with a PE multiplier of minus 61.83. MSCI's revival journey has not been smooth. In 2025, its shares nearly fell 65% in the unlisted market due to low optimism and SEBI's restriction on F&O's expiry date. Daily trading volume left negligible in comparison to BSE and NSE. Still, with new investments and regulatory clarities, the exchange hopes to turn profitable in the next 2 years and eventually go public. MSCI is focused on strengthening derivatives trading, especially through its flagship SX40 index. It is also looking to tap into SME listings and investors' education, creating a new revenue stream. With digital adoption and retail participation rise, MSCI sees an opportunity to position itself as an alternative platform. Coming to its shareholder, these are the top shareholders holding the majority of shareholding rights. If you want to track MSCI's unlisted share price, get real-time IPO alerts or access to pre-IPO opportunities, then head over to stockify.net.in.